Aquarius, this is your channel messages for the 3rd of Gemini. The 3rd of Gemini. I know Gemini was a triplet for the 3rd of June. Aquarius, your channel message is the 2 of Cups, the 7 of Swords, evil. So I'm getting, you would not fucking believe what your ex did to you. Alright? I don't know if somebody fuck your friend. I don't know if you fuck somebody's friend and you never know. It was the friend at the time. But I'm getting something about her ex. Them they steal something from you. If they steal your whole bank account, if they steal checks from you, I'm getting evil, 7 of Cups. That's definitely theft and sabotage majorly. This can go as far to say your ex stole your identity. And we have a 2 of Cups. Now this could be something about a new encounter of somebody you're dating or a friend. I'm getting somebody's trying to get close to you to steal. They're not trying to sabotage you. So I don't know if somebody play with your ID or official documents. I don't know if somebody's trying to get close into your house in order to access something, but I'm getting you need to be careful. Aquarius, you're the star. I'm getting you gaining traction. And somebody wants you to share that spotlight. But remember, Aquarius, you alone had to go through this naked. Nobody else was there to see a clit except for Rogers Canada. Rogers Canada wants you to know that if you know a famous OnlyFans girl, you can make sure that you partner with Rogers for high-speed internet. And we will even throw in a bigger screen smartphone for you to subscribe to your favorite OnlyFans model, Rogers Network. Let's go. I hadn't going to your reading. Aquarius. First card out is the Chariot. We have Cancer, okay? Okay, something about 2. Is 2 of them. 2, 1 black, 1 white. Something about 2. This could be a race, a competition. Now, in this depiction, there's a man that has 2 horses. And even if him beat one more than the other, both of them, it doesn't matter how much pressure you put on the white horse or the black horse. Both of them still have to bring it to the same place. So even I'm getting something about like if the white horse is too fast, you still have to wait on the black horse to catch up. And if the black horse is too fast, you have to wait on the... I don't know, I'm getting you still have to wait on both of them. You have to wait on 2 of them. Something about a Cancer, something about the Chariot. But the 4 of Wands, yes, something about both of them. Something, 2 houses, 2 places, 2 celebrations, 1 black, 1 white. The Devil, yeah, you're ready for start shit, Aquarius. So the police, the po-po. 12 is in the fucking building. 12 ready for start shit with you. I'm getting 1 black, 1 white. I'm getting a homing situation. I'm getting it corrupt. Corruption. This is what the fuck it is. I don't know if your place is wired. I'm not sure what type of wanted list you're on. Aquarius, the star card. You see? They're ready to start shit with you because you're a celebrity, Aquarius. That's why they're going to start shit with you. I don't know if you're a rising black celebrity, then I'll put this white girl against you. You're a rising white celebrity, then we'll put this black girl against you. The star card is fame. It's attention. It's for the police. We don't know why. This is crazy. One more. The 3 is for a Gemini who is very much into 2 bitches at a time. And I'm getting, yeah, somebody wants you on them team, so does everybody else. Shh, baby, we can keep it on the low. Then everybody had to know, what kind of hoe do you take me for? Yeah, come getting at the star. But in this depiction, Gemini is, yeah, and then you're comparing 2 women. 1 black, 1 white, the celebrity. Not sure what you want to do. You're here, Aquarius, so I'm getting you're still shining. Even if people around you is being staged to make you feel like you're not shining, I'm getting you still, like somebody have to wait. Even, it's like somebody have to wait on you for make themselves feel better. Somebody have to wait upon you for the crowd to even compare. Even if somebody wants to look better than you, more beautiful than you, they have to wait upon you. So the crowd can see both of you to compare. You get what I mean? Some weird ass shit like that. The Chariot is clarified by the Two of Pentacles, yeah. Because I'm getting it does not matter. You still need to wait on both of them. Maybe I try to orchestrate two people to meet, but I'm getting some out of your hands. Like you can dig a hole and put something there, but you kind of have a hope for somebody for find it, for stumble upon it. Come and get you saying, I'm driving this horse, I make a bet. But you need one for wait on the other. I don't know, something like that. The Four of Wands is clarified by the Queen of Pentacles. I'm getting you trying something about disturbing this woman's living situation, her home. Something about making her more social because the snake is offering her money. And I'm sure as a queen, if you're offered money, you don't just take the money and leave. You make conversation, build rapport. Why are you deserving for this royalty? The Devil card is clarified by the Hierophant. I'm getting somebody want you to divulge your secrets. I don't like this Gemini card. It's 3 women. That's like you talking to, alright, is either somebody ex who's talking to you and you're talking to their ex. You're friends with somebody and them ex are gonna talk to you. Or your ex are talk to your friend. But me getting the Hierophant and the Devil and the Star, somebody want to distract you. Maybe somebody feel like hurting your feelings or distract you. Because you have fame, so you're being shown on everybody's TV. And even though this couple is together, both of them are sitting up on the couch, and when them kissing, done fucking, and doing everything, when them turn on TV, you're on the TV. It is awkward. The Star card is clarified by the Terror. Yeah, but I'm getting you're destined to do something. You're destined to be here. Somebody can't stop your destiny. No man, no woman, no matey or wifey situation, none of that. Nothing can stop you. I'm getting somebody's trying to, maybe, I don't know, you're a celebrity over here. This guy will show you attention. Then you're going to start compete for his attention against any other girl he's showing his attention to. And then you're going to fall off and stop thinking about what you're doing for your living. I'm getting something about your destiny. Maybe it's destiny swapping. The man who you wait want you for swap him have another girl and him going to make the girl be you. And then make you be somebody else. The Lover's card is clarified by the 6. I'm when you're going to leave. You're going to abandon. Come and getting somebody have to wait upon you. They have to wait on you to be friends with this person in order for abandon you. They have to wait upon you and this person for meet so them can kiss this person in front of you. They have to wait on a situation that is orchestrated, but me getting it can't move until 2 person. I don't know what this is. The Devil and the Hierophant is here. Something about a marriage, a married man, a married woman. Something about a failed marriage. Baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven. Love is all that I need, and I found it there in your arms, making it hard to see we're in heaven. This is Lovers. It's supposed to be in heaven, but you having to compete for a man's attention against another woman. That sounds like fucking hell. What the fuck? We have Virgo. We have Sagittarius. I know. We have Secret Society. We have Cancer. We have MK Ultra. And we also have the number 2. Yeah, there's only 2 when getting. But the 2 here is black and white. Maybe someone's like, should I be in an interracial relationship? You know, you feel like it's going to be good for projection of, you know, where the black people are going. Or you feel like it's just better I just stay to, you know, my own kind. Because, you know, I know what... It's not a sense of not wanting to be diverse, but it's just being comfortable, you know? But I don't know what the projection of the market will be in 10 years, you know? I'm guessing yes, should I be in a interracial relationship or a same relationship? I'm getting if you could get it, you'd have been with two. You of a certain race, you want a girl to be the same race as you, but there's an outside person that's different. Well, make it a 4 and call it a circle. I'm going to leave it here. Aquarius, you're a star. You cannot be distracted by babies and relationships when you're a celebrity, sweetie. You can't. You cannot. Okay, you gotta focus. Get your head in the game. You see what the fuck happened when Kenny Ortega tried to write High School Musical? Fucking wave name? Try fucking Bolton. Him father half says, son, what the fuck, man? Vanessa, she's a hoe. Sending you fucking naked pictures. Drop that cheerleading bitch and get your head in the game. This is scholarship. Try nearly lose it. Him even create a smash new song. Disney Channel revenue off fight for years. Get your head in the game. You gotta get your head in the game. Try was so taken aback because of love. Right? I'm breaking free, was soaring, flying. Kenny Ortega wrote out him fucking soul. You think this is where I'm selling soul? Kenny Ortega selling soul to fucking High School Musical, right? Soaring, flying. There's not a star in heaven that we can reach. He had to drop that naked hoe named Vanessa, and he had to get his head back in the game. But then after he got his head back in the game, they end up saying breaking free. More than hope, more than faith, this is true. I don't know what somebody's trying to use for you to fall off. But Brody, you're single. You're a woman, you're this alone. You're not do this under the help of a man. So you have faith, but you don't have love. Well, that would make sense because, I mean, ask any man who do like 80 hours a week, how is their marriage? It's pretty unhappy. So if you're single, you focus on your fame. You're single, famous, focuses on love. And a time for love. The one them who are in love, them a drop off. Them a have baby. They're turning somebody's wife. They're cooking, washing, and cleaning, and they don't get a thank you at the end of the day. This is what you want your life to be? Talking about, oh, celebrity. Oh, it's so vain. How vain do you feel after you fold all the laundries, you color-coded them, and you prepared the best dinner, and you did not even get a kiss on his cheek when he came home? Telling you he has to wash his hands before he kisses you. He knows where your mouth has been in places beyond his expectations. Talking about all the, you're being underappreciated anyways. So don't make a man or a relationship distract you or make you fall off. Okay? Just get it together, stay focused, and remember, you are the best in the room. That's why there's people who want to compete with you for man over man. Them never even compete over weight. I'm going to leave it here. Aquarius, the star card. Until next time, bye.